Hi everyone, welcome to another Sublayer tutorial. Today we're going to be building a custom trigger. So if you've been working with the agent interface and you've been wanting to create your own triggers so that you can activate your agent and walk through steps, this is a good guide for you. We're going to be going through a new part of our docs here, a simple guide to build a simple custom trigger for a Hello World agent. Let's get started. So all I'm going to do here is just copy these lines. We're going to make a project folder called Hello World Agent. We're going to go into it. We're going to touch a gem file, an agent, and our trigger, which is going to be called time interval. Now that we're in our Hello World Agent, let me open that up real quick. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to our gem file first. And we're going to add this line here to add our newest versions of Sublayer as of this tutorial. And we are going to then bundle install. So we'll get the latest Sublayer version. And now we're going to create our time interval. Let's give this a go. Alrighty, this will do. And we'll go to our code here, go to the time interval class, and we'll just add this. Doesn't look like we need to use the block for our setup, so we won't need that. And then we'll copy this code here for our Hello World agent. All we're doing is we're requiring the relative time interval and creating a Sublayer agent. Doesn't have a status checker or a gold condition. Instead, it'll just trigger every 2 seconds and go through the step of logging Hello World. All right, let's try and run our code. And here we see that every 2 seconds, Hello World gets logged. And that's it. A very simple way for us to create a custom trigger.